In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain ownership in your Hostinger account via DNS. This is a crucial step to ensure that you have full control over your domain and all associated functionalities. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the Hostinger website. Open your web browser and go to hpanel.hostinger.com. This is where you manage all your Hostinger services, including your domain names. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and you'll be directed to the dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the domain section. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it. This action will bring up a list of all the domains you currently have registered with Hostinger. It's the central hub for domain management, where you can view and edit various settings. After you've clicked on Domains, locate the specific domain you wish to verify ownership for. Next to the domain name, you'll see a Manage button. Click on it and you'll be directed to the management settings for that particular domain. Now that you're in the domain management interface, look for an option that says Domain Ownership. It's typically located in the sidebar or within the settings options. Click on Domain Ownership to proceed to the next step, which involves the actual verification process. In this section, you'll see the option to verify your domain via DNS. Hostinger provides specific DNS records that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. These records are essentially small bits of data that validate your ownership, ensuring that you're authorized to make changes or use certain services linked to your domain. To add these DNS records, take note of the provided information and open your domain's DNS settings. You'll need to add a new record, usually a TXT record, with the details Hostinger has provided. This might include a host name, time to live settings, and a text value that acts as a verification code. Once you've entered all the necessary details correctly, save the changes to your DNS settings. It's important to note that DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, so you might not see instant verification. The process usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. In some cases, there might be built-in notifications or status updates that inform you once the verification is successful. Keep an eye on the domain management page to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully verified domain ownership on Hostinger via DNS. With your domain verified, you're now fully equipped to manage it without any restrictions. Whether you're planning to set up email hosting, connect with other web services, or simply want to ensure your valuable digital asset is secure, you've taken an important step today. Thanks for joining me in this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.